Welcome guys. Good afternoon. Now this is my another video of 2D array string. This is a 2D array string. How it works. This is a string.h header file and this is stdio.h header file. Our main header file, scanf mechanism, printf mechanism works. So let's get started. First of all, I need to clear it out. In this paint I have discussed that, wait a minute. So if we see clearly n, enter the number of names. How many names do you want to put? Means these, as you know, in third bracket this portion is row and this portion is column. 2D array. If here is means length, breadth, height. So if there is another third bracket open and close, then it's in 3D. This is a column part, this is a row part. Okay, so enter the number of names. Suppose here 1 2 3 4 5 names from 0 to n minus 1, means 0 to 4. This is 0 index, this, and these are the columns name. Suppose a d a m, or my actual name is Akash, a k a s h m i t r a dot dot dot, it goes on, and the last phase will be slash n, means the new line. So that's it, and which we will make it in /0, means the termination of string. How we will do, we'll check. This is the way our each name will get inserted inside a 2D array string. A K A S H, then /0. Suppose my cousin's name Bishal, Bishal, then here is the /0. Okay, this is the way it works. So let's come back to our code, but before that let's check whether it is perfectly running or not. Suppose how many names do I want to put? Suppose 3 names. My name is Akash Mitra, and the second name, my name is Akash Mitra, then Vishal Ghosh, my one friend's name, Shomik Chatterjee. These are the names printed. First row, second row, third row. This AKASH space MITRA, all are getting in a column wise. These are getting inserted, and here the termination means here the /n. This portion /0, the termination of this string, particular string, then new row, new string. That's it. Okay. So here get, now let's come to our code. Int main variable declaration, int number of names you want to put. These are the print and scan and getchar or flash stdin. Clear the input buffer for this. So we want to clear the input buffer where we have stored this ampersand, means where we have stored integer type value to variable n. So we need to clear that buffer before reading string or character type. That's it. Then for enter the name and percentage, suppose 1 plus, enter the name number 1 starting from 0 to n minus 1, and counter is actual name always starts up, number of names starts from never 0. So I plus 1, if 0 then 0 plus 1, and the index is 0. Then f gets function to take user input in the form of string. Wait a minute. Okay, f gets name. These parameters I have already explained inside this f gets function. I input for first case which I am giving is gets stored in the stdio1. Then it calls both of this, that this stdio1 user input stored in this stdin standard input will be stored here, and how much space it should this name array at index 0 should need to allocate. This is the size of name at index 0 when I equals to 0, and it goes on until unless I is less than equals to n minus 1. Suppose 5, then 0 to 4. That way it works. But it has by default one function, one mechanism where it automatically gives a /n. So to get, if I don't do this part, if I don't write this part, then what happens? Let's check. Automatic /n or new line occurs after each string, then termination of string happens, /n, then /0 occurs. So at the time of /n we are just replacing with it /0, means terminator of string, means when name at index 0, that's it. Name at index 0, then st, this is the function. We have done it in the part of column. It's nothing. Name this here strcpn strcspn. Here we have done this thing. When name at index I, means at index 0, means the head at row 0, it will check each column where it get or interacted with /n. Whenever it gets this /n, by default it replaces with it with this /0, otherwise this type of thing occurs. I am clearing it out by commenting it out and then running the code. Okay, there was 3 name: Akash, Ayush, Arpita. /n comes, then the termination of string occurs. So if now I am removing the comment and again running the code. 3 Akash, Vishal, Sailo, Akash, Vishal, Sabhyasaschi, Halda. It's my grandfather's name. This way it is going on. Watch. So it interact with /n and then changes it with /0 in the column part where the function is strcspn inside this parameter. And what I need to find, I need to interact with this, and what do I need to change? I need to replace this or override /n with this. That's it. That's the main funda here. And displaying and returning 0, returning anything in the main function is termination of code. That's it. Okay, up to this much. I hope it's clear. Again running. To name Akash, Tony. This. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Thank you so much. In my new upcoming videos, new type of strings will be there. String type of codings will be there, which will make more clear the array type of strings and how it's works, uppercase, lowercase and all. So wait for my upcoming videos. Up to this much. Thank you so much.